What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Tom Trips Out. I'm at the bus station in Phnom Penh, and in this episode, we're taking the sleeping bus to Siem Reap. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Well, hey everybody, come along with me. Take a trip to a place to find without seeing me. People eat food, see the joy they bring, and how much it costs to try new things. Well, come and watch me on the trip out. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
So it's Larryta Express bus company. It's a big, large waiting area with all the buses. And when you come in, you come all the way to the back to this counter here. Pick up your ticket. You can see them all lined up behind here. It's just about 11 p.m. and mine's at 11:30, so I got here with extra time, so a couple of those might take off before mine shows up. But yeah, the ticket was $16 each way, and that's a little bit more. There's cheaper companies that are like 11 or 12, but I wanted a nice one so I'm not squished in with other people or stuff like that. The departure times up on a board right there. And there's more waiting space up here. And then right beside there's some street food person and a couple of vendors. The tuk-tuks all drop people off right here. So they just called our bus number, so we're walking over now and getting in line to get on. And we'll see what it looks like in there. I've got my ticket on the phone, so you just show it to them when you get on.
Hello, sir.
Hey.
How many people?
One. 30.
Oh, number 30 seat only.
I think it's at the very back, right?
Okay. Number 30 inside. Upstairs.
Okay.
Yes, thank you so much.
So you have to take off your shoes. They put them in a bag. Thank you. So there's double ones. There's also single ones. So it gives you a bottle of water and like a face cloth. There's a fan and a light. Way better than the time I got squished in with someone else like a year ago. Sorry. So we got here and it's only like 5 in the morning, so they got here like a half an hour or an hour earlier than we thought we would. And then I can see out on the road there's a bunch of tuk-tuk guys all waiting. I looked in their direction and like 5 of them started waving at me right away. So I'm gonna get one of these tuk-tuk guys, and what's important is that you confirm a price before you let them start driving. So you hop in and tell them where you want to go, and then you don't want the price to be a surprise when you get there. So I'm hoping that they'll say like $5 to where I want to go. We're going to go to this restaurant called Temple Restaurant, and they're open 24 hours, and it's a really cool place. It's a good place, first place to hang out there. Morning. Good, how are you? Yeah, I need.
also speak English very well about an Onboard tour.
Okay.
Come here. You speak English very well.
Good.
Well,
Yeah.
this is my tuk-tuk, brother.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. And if I want to go somewhere, I can message you. Yeah. Looks like they have a special offer for breakfast where the prices are cheaper. Like this soup is $2.50 and French toast $2.50. Everything's $2.50. So they gave me an iPad for the menu. Well, that's going to do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned for more videos from Siem Reap. And until next time, remember, how you spend your days, the way you spend your life. It's never too late to start tripping out.
Mind is torn.